So, I just got up. I'm extremely tired, man. But you already know it's time to hit the road, guys. So let's go. I already did my pre-trip. And time to hit the road. I ended up spending the night right outside the place I dropped the load yesterday. This place. So I'm headed to Colorado, and I pulled off the I-80 going west, and now I'm at the world's largest truck stop. So let's go check it out. Watch this, guys. So as you guys can see, the parking lot is extremely massive. I wish I had a drone so I could show you guys like the size of the lot, man. There's trucks everywhere. It's super loud out here. It's crazy, man. I've actually been here a few times as well. Largest truck stop in the world, Iowa 80. Guys, how cool is this, man? This thing got an entire truck and tractor in here. Like, come on, man. I mean, as y'all can see, they got aisles and aisles of stuff in this place. Absolutely incredible. Everything you can need for your truck is here. Yo, these people not playing. All the lights you can ever want on your truck. Look at that. It's crazy. I'm about to head up into the food court area. I'm definitely hungry. They got like different restaurants and like fast food chains in here as well. So it's pretty cool. Clothing area. Got the food. I'm ordering some Dairy Queen as well. Alright guys, so I got 3 more hours to drive. I'm about to pull over to this Love's truck stop and get some coffee. I'm tired as heck right now, man. Love's is right over there. Fuel aisles is all filled, trucks getting fuel and all that, because I got like half a tank of fuel. So I'm like, why not just fuel up so I can be good for tomorrow, because I still got another 564 miles left to go. And for those of you that don't know, as truck drivers, we can only drive up to 11 hours every day, and then we have to pull over before the time runs out, and then we have to do what's called a 10-hour break. After the 10-hour break is done, then we can get another 11 hours to drive the next day. So I'm like, I got half tank, so I don't got to stop for fuel tomorrow. I'm just gonna fuel up now while I get my coffee. So I'm just waiting for one of these lanes to open. drove my hours down to 1 hour 38 minutes until I have to do my 10-hour break, and now I have 469 miles left to go. So we're making good on time, guys. Absolutely incredible. Gotta do what you gotta do out here, man. You know what I mean? All right, guys. So as you can see, I stopped at a rest area for the day. I finished with my work day, doing my 10-hour break. So I will start rolling again probably like 4 o'clock in the morning, to continue to drop the load off in Colorado. I ended up getting my windshield replaced, I think day before yesterday, and they did a bad job because it rained a little bit and the rain came inside on my windshield, and that's definitely not good. So I have to go replace that. But yep, so that's it for this day, guys. Tomorrow we gonna head down to the rest of the road, headed to Colorado, drop that load off. And look at my load, this guy, man. Come. Good boy. Bring this boy in. Ain't that right, Milo?